Even with all the progress in healthcare and nutrition, more and more people need regular support to stay well, especially older adults, people with disabilities, and those living with chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, cancer, or respiratory illnesses. Unfortunately, our current healthcare systems are struggling to keep up. There just aren't enough facilities, specialists, funding, or transport options to meet the growing demand. But there's hope, and it comes from technology. Artificial intelligence and digital tools are changing the game.
Hi, I am your personal health assistant. May I update you about your current and predicted health status?
By working together with doctors, healthcare providers, and other partners, we're creating smart, innovative solutions that help people take an active role in monitoring their own health, especially those most at risk. We're building an ecosystem that supports health monitoring at home, in care centers, and other everyday settings. At the center of it is a personal virtual health assistant, a smart tool that continuously tracks each person's health using real-time data and medical standards. This assistant gathers information from wearable devices like heart rate, activity levels, sleep, and more, and even takes into account things like air quality to get a full picture of your health. It understands natural language, so it can also check in on emotional and mental well-being. While feelings can't be measured exactly, the assistant combines data from your physical health, past history, and daily habits to detect patterns and predict changes. All this data feeds into what we call a digital twin, a kind of virtual copy of the group being monitored. It helps healthcare teams spot trends, catch warning signs early, and take action before things get worse. When something changes, the assistant sends real-time updates to the person, their doctor, or even a family member, making sure support is always one step ahead. Thanks to this system, medical staff at treatment or prevention centers get continuous updates for every patient. That means they can act faster, plan better, and help people stay healthier longer. And we're not stopping there. By launching experimental pilot projects, we're already bringing these digital health solutions into the real world, working together to shape a future where care is smarter, more connected, and truly personal.